Environmental Construction Services, the company that I founded, is a very neat little company. We started in 2010 with 2 employees and an annual revenue of about $35,000. By differentiating ourselves through BIM, we were able to grow the company to close to $15 million that we'll do next year in only 5 years. My company just specializes in solving complex problems by using the technology that Autodesk and through applied software delivers all the way from design to manufacturing. So everything is about speed and accuracy. One of the biggest issues that we've solved is the ability to deliver a product to our clients with the initial design intent in record speeds. Whether it's building projects on South Beach in 23 days that should have taken 3 or 4 months, or whether it's coordinating large hospitals for a general contractor, we're able to give the owner exactly what they wanted from the project, fast and accurate, with points of responsibility, with who's responsible, with which trade, whether it's an engineer that has to go back and redesign, by being able to solve all our problems in 3D first before we ever have them out in the field at $100 an hour. We were able to fully integrate Revit, EST, fabrication, and our competitors' CAM, all with the help of applied software. So we went from the point of just taking paper designs from engineers to showing engineers how to accurately draw in Revit, where we could get the right information that we could transfer completely down the supply chain, all the way from coordination to fabrication, and now we're actually focusing on building operations and maintenance. Applied software helped us get to where we are because a lot of the packages software packages were starting to get to where they needed to get to, but there was nobody there to show you how to use it. We were printing out help manuals that were, probably about 8 feet thick, right? To try to figure out how to use the software. And we met with Applied Software at one of our contractors' convention, and in 3 months, they had us fully running. And then in 6 months, we were one of the lead contractors in the Philadelphia area using BIM as a result of all the help that we got from Applied Software. I chose the Autodesk solutions and Applied Software because I knew that the industry was going towards one singular product. As you know, there are multiple products that are being used to deliver projects. Different contractors use different software. And we were forward thinking enough to see that Autodesk was starting to pull all those, all the products from CAM to fabrication to design all together. So we tried to get ahead, as far ahead as we could of our competition, and be able to aggregate those products first so we would have a differentiator in the market. We use the word technological singularity, the words technological singularity. And what that is that all the information ends up going to one database that can recursively self-improve itself. The way that you lead an innovation is by, at least for us, is by gathering information and then being able to make decisions at a split second. Most people don't really know how a design affects manufacturing or how manufacturing affects building operations and maintenance until you start aggregating all that data and then compiling it and taking a look at it. So without having all the software all work together in unison, kicking information back in a singular database, you can't cross-reference between engineering, construction, manufacturing, and service. And our goal by next year is to be the premier leader in merging all those different components together.